Okay. Could you hear my voice or sound? If the facility test is success, we will start now. Okay. First of all, thank you for coming today's online training. And I'm Lois from ZK Tackle headquarters. In this presentation, I will divide my content into main sections, which includes hardware overview and a brief introduction of our application. And also, there will be plenty of time for questions at the end. Or if you have any questions, you can type your doubts in the blanket. So still have professional colleagues will help you to get the answer. Okay, the first is our overview part. As you can see in our product family, there have 6 categories, which concludes smart door lock, lighting, electrical, alarm sensor, security camera, and doorbell. And all these are combined with our Z-Smart application to create a smart home security system. And for the applicable scenarios, as you can see from outdoor to indoor, from each kitchen room, living room, we have an adequate product range to meet your needs. Okay, here we go. Let's check the first one, AP100 series. AP100 series is combined with alarm hub and accessories. The alarm hub is Wi-Fi communication, while the accessories are 433 MHz, which must be paired with our alarm hub. And the GSM frequency band is for optional. Also, you could attach importance to the maximum sub-device, the 24 detectors and the 10 remote controls. And the alarm panel have a built-in backup battery, which can last 5 hours. So it provides enough time for emergency situation when the device getting low battery. And our compatible with Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant as default. Okay, the next is our Wi-Fi communication sensors. The first one is our Wi-Fi door sensor, DS10. That is to let you know whether the door or window is opened or closed. And please check the main unit. The main unit have a double magnetic of both sides, so you no need to worry to match the magnetic correspondingly. And the second product is our water leak detector. In the rear panel, we have an inductive probe, so it can detect the water leakage. And we must be sure it plays flat on the floor or washing room. And for the next sensor is motion sensor, is to detect the movement. And the motion sensor can detect the 5 to 8 meters Also, the device can be mounted on the wall. The next is our newly released bullet camera. It has equipped with aluminum alloy and IP65 material, which have a robust design in any weathers. And the 3MP high resolution provide a high image quality. Also, the 4 pieces white LEDs can create a 4-color mode even at the night. The next product is our 4-channel Wi-Fi NVR kit. As you can see in the picture, this is one NVR with 4 units of bullet camera. It also can extend the 8 units bullet camera. And this NVR support on-wave protocol, so the end users can have a more flexibility to develop their device. And it is really suitable for villa or retail store. And we must pay attention to the TF card. The camera don't have TF card slot because the NVR can provide storage place. Okay, this is our indoor cube camera. For this camera, it has also equipped with 3MP resolution. And the motion tracking can keep tracking the subject when motion activity is detected. And the device can be put on the ceiling or the wall, or it can be just placed horizontally. And for the private mode, that means we can let the camera to enter the sleep mode, and we can disable the live videos to protect your privacy. The next product is our indoor PT camera. The biggest features of this product is Type-C interface, because the Type-C port is more convenient in our daily life. And for the human detection, we can reduce false alerts from other objects. And for the H.265 video compression, that means we could get more storage space to save and less bandwidth to stream. Also, the motion tracking, we can auto-track moving objects. Okay, the next product is our PT indoor camera. And the biggest selling points is the dual-band Wi-Fi. The dual-band Wi-Fi could provide better adaptability and stable connection. Also, if you have a dual-band router with separate 2.4 Hz and 5 GHz networks, so no worry about choosing which network to connect. And especially for the sound detection, which we can detect the abnormal sounds, like the baby is crying, then you will receive an alert. And for the customizable monitoring size, we can customize an area in the cameras where you want to receive the alerts. And next is our for outdoor PTZ cameras. It has embedded in 4MP high definition. And the 6 white LEDs can create a 4-color mode in the night. And for the PTZ camera, as we all know, it can tilt and pan. So we can take a look at all surroundings at once. It's really safer. And the next product is our newly launched products, battery PTZ camera. And you can see they have a solar panel, and the device provides 3-way silicon solar panel and high capacity, like 9,000 rechargeable battery. So also in the application, you can see how much battery life is left. Because there is no wiring required, so it's a great choice for guarding your driveway, swimming pool, or garage. And this is our battery camera, C5BP. For this mode, you can place the camera anywhere you want because no wiring required. And when you're charging from 0% to 100%, the charging duration is approximately 3.5 hours. And the last time is when you wake up 5 times a day, it can last 1 or 2 months. Also, in this application, you can see how much battery life is left. Okay, next product is our outdoor battery camera kit. As you can see in the picture, they have one home base and 2 cameras. They will band with each other. And for the home base, we will use the provided Ethernet cable to connect the home routers. Okay, you will confused about the home base function. It will provide a stable Wi-Fi connection even at long distance. And the home base have built-in 32 GTF card. Okay, the next product is our C9AP series. It's floodlight camera. It has embedded dual LED lights, which can capture clear footage to protect your yard or garage. And they are also equipped with a PIR sensor to detect the movements up to 12 meters away. Also, it supports dual-band Wi-Fi. For the next product is our video doorbell, D0BPA. Also, they have a PIR sensor. You can disable or enable in the application to adjust the sensitivity level. And also the temper alarm means if it triggers to disassemble your back panel, the device will generate a 30-second siren alarm. And the chime As you can see, in my right hand, there I have an indoor chime. The chime will offers 4 different kinds of music for options and also support adjust the value level. Also, we compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant as default. The recommended installation height is 1.2 meters. Okay, the lovely bulb LB1. To fit your current mood, activity, or any special occasion, we can select the color or the preset scenarios or lighting modes. Also, we can create a group to control multiple devices at one time. Okay, the next is our SP1 and is an entry-level smart US standard Wi-Fi plug. For this plug, you can easily control the home electronics via our Z-Smart application from anywhere. And also we have Alexa and Google Assistant compatible. You can free your hands and put the voice commands to remote control the device. And it is really suitable for indoor small plug-in appliances such as fan, lamp, and humidifier. The next is our EU plug, and they have the same function as the SP1, but I want to mention that the energy monitoring, it means we can check the real-time reports of energy consumption. So it's really user-friendly for our end users. Okay, the next is our smart light switch products, SW1 series. It's for US standard. We also could remote control and set a customizable schedule for the device to turn on and turn off automatically. And also, the light can be created to control multiple devices at one time. And for the multi-control association, that means the light can be controlled by 2 or multiple independent switches at the same time. And the next is our EU smart light switch products. It's the same function of the SW1 US series. So it's really common demand product. Okay, that's all the IoT products. And the next is our wireless IoT lock. The first one is ML100. It is really cost effective and which equipped with Wi-Fi communication that no gateway required. And the ML100 supports 4 languages, such as Spanish, English, Portuguese, and Chinese. And we have European standard Maltese for standard and American single latch for optional. And for the GL300 Wi-Fi version, if you're familiar with our standalone GL300, you may have a better understanding of this model. These have a built-in Wi-Fi compatibility. It's also no gateway required. And for the glass door lock, so there is no drill holes required. And the next two locks is our push-pull door lock, like Wi-Fi lock with doorbell. And the HBL400 and the TL800, we have upgraded a new version which supported this smart application and also supported Spanish voice guide. And for the HBL400, we equipped with 3D structured light facial recognition. And the hidden fingerprint sensor is behind the handle. And also TL800, we have built-in Wi-Fi communication, and also we can remote unlocking and capture the doorbell image inside. And the other wireless IoT lock is ML200, ML300. The big differences between these two locks is the fingerprint sensor. The ML200 don't have fingerprint sensor. It's better use the semi-outdoor environment. And the ML300 has equipped with fingerprint sensor. So different customers will choose different models. And for this ML200, ML300, L40, there are Bluetooth 5.0 lock. That means if we don't want to remote control, we can just set as a Bluetooth lock. If we want to remote unlock, we can add an additional Bluetooth gateway. And for the DL30Z and TL300Z, these are two Zigbee lock, which master compatible with our Zigbee gateway. And these are supported English, Spanish, Portuguese language, and also NFC supported. And the TL700 is our Wi-Fi wireless IoT lock. It's also cost effective. Okay. You'll find that the best-selling products always have some features like easy operation, competitive price, and entry level. So it's more acceptable for the end users. Okay, the second part is our brief introduction of application. What I mentioned, all the hardwares, they are used one mobile application to remote control. That is our Z Smart application. And it combines with video doorbell, lighting, switch, alarm kit, door lock, and security camera. We can realize the function like remote control, smart automation, voice control, and instant notifications. Okay, now I will show the interface of each products one by one. And the first is for our security camera short screen. We can adjust the detection alarm sensor level. And also this is our main interface of the smart camera. We can choose the image quality and enable or disable the functions. And for the PT or PTZ camera, we can rotate the direction of each cameras to different angles, different directions. And also we can play back the videos in the application. And for the cloud service, you could check the cloud storage service from an application anytime, anywhere if you subscribe the video cloud storage. And for the smart door locks short screen, we take ML200 as an example. ML300 as an example. They have a user management like fingerprint, passcode, app, and dynamic password. So in our traditional lock, we need to register the users or administrators in the lock, but now we can register the users in the application. And also we can generate the dynamic password for 5 minutes, which we can use as emergency purpose. Also, we have one click to remote unlock the door lock. And after that, we could check records for each users each time. And also we could set the periodical password for different purpose, like we can set for a cleaner or baby sister or home tutors. And this is our smart light bulb short screen. We can adjust the colors and brightness to fit your current mood, and also the white colors or others, and set the scenarios, music, and the schedules to turn on or turn off. And for the smart plug, we can also set schedules to turn on or turn off in the setting time, and also one click for turn on or turn off. And the more settings, like the child lock, when the child take our Plaque as a toy, the device will turn off automatically. Also, for some products, we have Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant as default service. So this is some examples of Alexa voice commands. If you want the Amazon Alexa Google Assistants for cameras, we may have a different price for the add value service. Okay, for now, that's all I want to sharing today. And thank you for your time. If you have any questions, you can type your questions in the blanket. Okay, if we don't have any doubts,